everything I used to dream being real right now.
How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. In today's video is kind of be a channel update, truck update for you all. I do this periodically to let you all in on what's going on with the channel, what's going on with the truck. So we'll jump right into this. From the title of this video, I do need your all's help with something. I'm going to leak some teasers on what's coming next to the truck. So without further ado, let's get right into that. For all of you that are asking, yes, window tint is coming. I'm getting the windshield replaced very, very soon, and then window tint is coming, and so that's in order. But what I need your all's help on is the front end of this truck. Yes, the bull bar and the light bar are coming off. I don't like the look of it anymore. I just don't like it. So I am replacing the bumper and the grill. Now, the theme I was thinking about going with is color matched grill to the paint, color match bumper to the paint, and putting an LED light bar in the middle of the bumper. I have a buddy of ours that does water jet cutting, so he can do it, make it look really clean and professional for that in the front bumper. Now, do y'all think that will look good on this truck, or do y'all think I should just go with like a color match grill and a chrome bumper, or a chrome grill and a color match bumper? Let me all what you know down in the comments. I'm thinking about color matching everything because all this stuff is coming off the truck. The chrome, the trim work, everything, all that's going to come off the truck after this winter. Truck's going to the body shop and the paint shop to get all the little nicks and dings and door dings and crap being taken off the truck. So what do y'all think will look good? I want to let you know down in the comments. Yeah, so, and also this dent finally be taken out of the truck right here. That's the only major blemish in this truck, is this little son of a gun right here. It's been on the truck since I bought the truck. We don't know how it happened. Like, no one really knows how this dent happened, but that is coming off the truck. So yeah, the whole front end's getting redone. I'm keeping the same lighting setup though, so don't worry about that. I might upgrade my high beams to a 8000 series, so 4 and 4, and then 6 or 3 and 3 on the lows. And that's pretty much it. Why I won't mount the light bar behind the bumper, because of all the radiators and stuff. It's just not enough room to do that. So I'm not going to do it that way. But as of what's going on with the truck right now, I'm thinking about putting back on too, if it'll fit, the plastic air dam, because I might, instead of putting the tow hooks back, I might do a pod series right underneath it right here. I'm not 100% sure on that either. I gotta look into it, but you know, we'll see. But that's what's kind of going on with the truck. You know, the windshield, of course, like I said before, is getting replaced. Excuse me. So window tint is coming. I know what I want all around the side of the truck, but I'm still debating if I should do a full windshield tint or just the strip across the top. Since I travel so freaking much, the strip across top will be safer than a whole windshield, but a whole windshield will look so bad on this truck. And with that, I also want to get a wrap job and do this all black out from here all the way up to here, have that all blacked out, so it's like almost like one, it looks like maybe one continuous window, if that makes a lot of sense. I've seen it done on these trucks before and it looks freaking fantastic. I might do that. So that's what's going on in the truck right now, guys. Now what's going on with the channel. As you may have known, last weekend was a Chattanooga Truck Fest event, or the Scenic City Extreme Truck and Jeep Fest, hosted by Tennessee Diesel. Great guys, make sure you follow them. And I've met so many awesome fans, guys. If you follow me on my personal Instagram page, I tag myself in it, like when I posted up the truck, but I don't really promote it that much. But a lot of you have been asking what's been going on in my life, because I almost quit. I won't lie to you all, I did. I almost quit YouTube about a month ago. I can't go into very personal detail on why that is on some aspects, but on other aspects of it, I was not happy with the videos I was making. It felt like to me, except for truck reviews, it felt like to me I was being rushed and pushed into making videos I don't like. If any of you are YouTube creators or content creators of anything like Instagram, YouTube, or anything of that nature, you get in these ruts, and you feel like it's a robot. Like you have to make this certain kind of video. You have to make this and that. And I was getting really tired of it. Work has been consuming my life a lot lately. We're trying to finish up a job right now. I work commercial construction. We're trying to push this job through, so that's consuming a lot of my time. So when I do jump on YouTube and when I can do this kind of stuff, you know, it's just one of those things that, you know, it sucks because like I can't 100% focus on it. Like I said, there's other stuff going on in my life that I'm not going to talk about because it's just personal stuff. Like I keep my YouTube channel and my personal life completely separate on some aspects because it's only fair to the people and stuff like that. But the Truck Fest event, or the Scenic City Extreme Jeep and Truck Fest down in Chattanooga, really woke me up this weekend. You know, I've been to a bunch of truck meets, guys. I won't lie to you. I've pretty much almost seen it all except for SEMA. That's another goal on my bucket list, to go to SEMA. But anyways, it humbled me beyond belief that people would drive hours away to meet me. Like, I don't see myself as that kind of person. I don't see myself as like the YouTube celebrity or the Instagram celebrity or anything like that. I'm not saying I am either. Like, I'm almost at 4,000 subs on both my platforms, and that's not big by any stretch of the imagination. I'm not saying it's huge or big or anything, but it's beyond belief that you all would take time out of your day to come see me and the K1500, even though she's nowhere near what I want done yet. It's so humbling. I mean, I sat back in my hotel room and Killian, Muddy Peach, was with me, and I was like, it's very humbling because like I wasn't expecting it. Like I meet one or two people at truck meet that know me or something. There's a bunch of you all that come out, and if you're watching this video and you're one of them, thank you all so much for the support. It's unreal. So a lot of soul searching and a lot of stuff driving home by myself that Sunday, I come to the realization that this is what I love. I'm gonna make videos on what I love. I'm gonna make videos like the old ways, like the old style, more vlogs. Like, of course, the truck meet vlogs aren't going anywhere, but the old style vlogs were just goofy, fun stuff with my buddies and all that stuff. And it's, you know, and yeah, and some, like, I try to keep my videos PG. I sometimes venture into PG-13, maybe a little bit R, depending on the humor. But I try to keep them as clean as possible. But at the same time, if you don't like it, don't watch it, because I'm not going to cater to anyone like that. If you, I'm not gonna, you know, do really bad stuff, of course. No, that's not how I roll. But, you know, I like to have fun. I like to have humor in it and stuff like that with me and Hunter and the guys and whatnot. It's a lot of fun. But you all have got me to this point right here. Without you all, this truck would not be anywhere to where it is now. And I can't not thank you all so much for your support and your all of you that tune in every single week to 3 to 4 videos a week like clockwork. You all are the greatest fans I could ever wish for. That's why I just want to take time out of this video to say thank you from the bottom of my heart that you all take time out of your day to watch me, because like I said, I don't see myself as that person. I love making videos and I love trucks. I mean, if anyone that knows me personally knows that for 100% fact. But this is what I love. Is a truck perfect? Hell no. To my eyes, some people say, yeah, it's perfect the way it sits. I would leave it the way it is. But in my eyes, it's not perfect. It's about 45 to 55% complete on what my entire vision of this truck is. It's a good start, and it's where I want to go with it, but it's not where I want to end up with. And of course, it's a project. There's always new stuff will come up or whatnot. But I absolutely can't thank you all enough for this. And that might be rambling a little bit in this video, and I'm sorry, but I'm just very grateful for each and every single one of you. I'm back. The old me's back. The video content's back, guys. There's no more. Now, of course, on like Fridays, Saturdays, or Sundays, like Friday uploads might be pushed back to Sunday depending, or like truck meet videos, like I didn't upload a video Monday or Tuesday because I did the Truck Fest. Well, the Scenic City event was uploaded Wednesday, so that might be different, but I'm gonna try to stick to the schedule of Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm gonna try my best. Like, stuff may come up, but make sure you follow the Instagram page, so I will update you on that saying, hey, video's gonna be live so-and-so. That helps me and it helps you out. But again, thank you all from the bottom of my heart for all your support. I'm back, guys. It's showtime. It's time to get back on the groove of things, make some badass content, meet all of you all and do all kinds of stuff like that, because that's what, a little motivation, guys. You get kicked down in life. Life will beat you to your knees, and if you allow yourself to stay there, you'll get depressed. You'll get like, woe is me, why this, why that? But you gotta stand back up and you gotta keep pushing forward. If you don't, you're just gonna let it, it's gonna dwindle you away, really. You just gotta keep pushing forward, because you never know around the next corner what the next opportunity is in life. You really don't. And you know, some of us don't have that, we don't know when our time's up on this earth. And it's kind of a scary thought to think, but at the same time, it wakes a lot of people up. You don't know how much time you have on this earth. So make the most of every single second of every single day. Like I said in every video, guys, never give up on your dreams. And I mean that to the 120th%, because if you give up on your dreams, you give up on yourself. We all have dreams. The ones that made it in life, the ones that you see on Instagram, the millionaires and have a badass team of builds, they never gave up on that idea. They never, it may take people 20 years to do it. It may take people 2 months to do it. But they never, ever, ever gave up on the idea. Yeah, there's gonna be setbacks, but they never gave up. So thank you all so much for watching this video, guys. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel. All of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.